Hi. Two reasons we think you should become referral partners with Apollo. First of all, you earn the first 3 months of revenue, as in that first 3 months revenue goes straight to you guys. Secondly, your customers become much more successful. Okay, users of Apollo can identify over 90% of their at-risk customers, and they're twice as successful in saving those customers from churning. So how does this work? Let's have a quick look. First of all, you connect all your relevant data to Apollo. Okay, so you connect up your usage metrics and your billing and your CRM, and then our model will then analyze that data based on having been trained on a massive database of 55 plus million SaaS users, and it applies that AI logic to the data that you've ingested or you've passed into Apollo to create churn scores, churn risk scores, and conversion scores. So the first thing you do is connect up your apps. Pretty simple. Say you want to connect up HubSpot, you hit connect, you select the HubSpot account you want to connect. Pretty simple. That's all. So very little in terms of IT requirement in getting set up. The next step then is actually reviewing the account here. You can see once you've got the data passed in, you can start to understand who's at risk, where the conversion opportunities are, maybe to convert people from trials to full plans, or from free plans to paid plans. So if we look over here, we can see bubbled up to the top are the top 5 at-risk churn customers. I can jump into Darius here and see very quickly that he's at huge risk of churn. And also the AI model has provided what we call a magic summary, telling us in plain language, in plain English here, why this customer is going to churn, right? So we can see that there's been a recent communication showing that they're looking at other options, and also they're having onboarding challenges, and also they're not logging in very often, right? You'll also see that the model will bubble up signals from various areas, so usage, from billing, from voice of customer, and you can review those as well and see what's happening. Obviously, in the platform, you can create multiple segments to track things that are important to you. And you can review the data by account, by user, and by team. But ultimately, what we're trying to do here is automate as much as possible and allow your customers to not have to scale their team as they scale their users. So keep keep things as automated as possible. So, for example, you can trigger action in tools that you're already using. So your customers can trigger, for example, a task being created in HubSpot like this. This is a HubSpot flow that's being triggered by data being passed into HubSpot directly from Apollo. You can see here, if the churn score is over 75%, then it's going to create a task. All right. So we can see here, if I go to my tasks in HubSpot, I can see there's a bunch of at-risk tasks, or tasks telling me there are at-risk accounts. If I drill in there, I'll see the Apollo churn score and the link to the Apollo page. I can click in there and start to review the account. So that's kind of it in a nutshell, but we'd love to have you on board. All the details are in this email, so hopefully you can sign up, or if you have any questions, come back to me. Thanks. Bye.